Good afternoon, London.
My name is Dmitry Machikhin.
And I'm Eli Tolan. And like all of you, we were drawn to blockchain systems for its security, its transparency, and its connectivity. And it's forums that bring us here today that allow us to share, collaborate, and utilize blockchain.
How many of you own crypto?
All right, pretty much. Right. Anyway, hopefully everybody.
Let's move. How many of you has been forced to use multiple platforms to use your crypto?
Yeah, so that's exactly why we are really enthusiastic about the rapid developments and interest in blockchain, why we have noticed this unbelievable gap in accessibility, especially when it comes to cryptocurrencies. We have this mountain of opportunity that's here, and it's the key to reforming all of the markets and many, many different spheres. And for the majority of businesses and private investors, the lack of sustainable infrastructure is turning everybody else away. And executing even the most basic of transactions, such as buying or exchanging product, services, or cash, it requires users to go through several different companies or channels, resulting in higher wait times, exorbitant fees, and worst of all, insecurity.
Enter Midex, the first fully operational platform with a blockchain and different types of services working with the crypto. This is a momentous development of all crypto market. The advantages of Midex can be summarized in just 3 key words. Fast.
Midex is a one-stop shop. Instantaneously transfer hard cash to your virtual wallet and start trading, investing, and making purchases.
Secure.
Midex provides licensing and private keys to every user, decentralizing the system and making it one of the only exchanges that really empowers its users and prioritizes safety.
Commission-free.
Midex does not charge a commission for withdrawing or depositing funds.
Midex solutions are suitable for different user groups. It's for traders. Traders want to trade. And the most important thing for them is not to make it on 10 screens at the same time. So Midex exchange has already been started, and it's up and rising, so you can go and check it for yourself. The next big group are investors. So the most important thing for investors is to invest money with a high profit and a low risk. So all of it is allowed with Midex.
Private clients. The use of cryptocurrencies in their everyday lives for purchasing and selling goods and services. The major issue, of course, for private clients is the sense of insecurity at times with many of the other exchanges. That's why, once again, Midex will provide each private user with their own personalized key that would allow them to buy in or buy out of the system whenever they feel like they want to. Businesses. The biggest issue for businesses is probably the fact that they have a difficulty making high capital transactions, and also they want a system in which works within the confines of the appropriate regulating jurisdictions. Midex has gone above and beyond to ensure AML and KYC background checks for all of its users, and we currently hold an alternative money license in Estonia. This allows all of the users, of course, to make legal transactions with cryptocurrencies throughout multiple platforms, as well, and we are currently looking to receive our payment institution license in the United Kingdom in March. We are also looking to expand into the broader Asian and North American markets through a Japanese license that we are looking to get hopefully by September. So this is the exchange that we have so far, but Midex is not only an exchange, it's also a financial platform. What else does Midex offer?
Just take a look on here.
Oh wow, that's quite a bit.
Yeah, you're right, but we can do it because we know how to make it. And as I mentioned about, we have already started our exchange, and it's, as you can see, it's 100% legal for now. All our transactions are registered on our own blockchain, and the main thing is that we give the public keys for each user inside the system, so it's definitely secure. Then we have an exchange aggregator to make traders raise their money from the arbitrage. Our next scope of services is Midex banking. So we are in the process of releasing our own debit cards, ATM networks, and escrow service. Then we have our Midex Trust. It's an asset management fund with a marketplace. We have Midex Credit. It's worked like peer-to-peer credit marketplace. And finally, we have Midex Business Solutions. All Midex services are combined into one common web interface on just one site, midex.com, which is currently being used for our ICO. Serving as a technological bridge, Midex enables quick and safe interactions between crypto and fiat. All banking services will comply with the applicable strict standards of international financial law.
So we believe that it's up to all of us to help mature the crypto market and make it accessible to everyone through transparency and security. We strive to serve as an example to everyone who follows in that vision. And once again, in the spirit of conversation and dialogue of this forum, we'd like to reserve the last few minutes for any questions or comments from any of you.
But is this real?
Is this real in terms of what?
Or what you say? I mean, is it really happening?
Well, our exchanges are currently already up and running, and if you go and visit our website, you'll actually be able to go and participate in a beta test that's going to be happening for the next 2 weeks. So if we can always come and ask any other questions, and we can also provide with you the licensing that we have and so on. So this is really the goal that we have here.
Yes, hello.
So we have another question here.
How much have you already raised, and what is your hard cap?
Dima?
We have already raised over $5 million by VIP pre-sale, and our hard cap now is $75 million to make all these things happen. But as my colleague just said, we've already launched an exchange, and so it works.
Okay. Any other questions? Yeah?
Somebody else?
Last questions? Well, yeah, we have one more.
What's the business model? I mean, obviously the exchange is 0 fees.
Mm-hmm.
So
Well, the zero fees with depositing and withdrawing, and that could either be depositing or withdrawing cryptocurrencies or fiat. Our business model is based off of the transaction fee that you'll have, and then all of those fees will be posted on a daily basis. So whether you're trading between Bitcoin and Ethereum or whatever it may be, you'll be able to see that live time and be able to make those decisions accordingly. Mm-hmm. Okay, maybe one more, or that's all? Okay. Well, feel free to come by our booth. We're on M1 in the foyer. So if you ever have any other questions, you can feel free to come by, and make sure to go and visit us on our website, and you can also join our Telegram group. Thank you very much for being here, and we're very happy to see all of you and collaborate with all of you. Cheers.
Thank you for watching.